Hi there. Thanks very much for tuning into this video. I am trying to help people that are organizing fundraisers, tournaments, special events, and this can be the smallest event, could be only 30 or 40 players up to 1,000 players. Okay, so hope this helps. I'm going to have some tips in this video, and then if you cannot do it, you do not have the time or the energy, I can help you get stuff for your event and do it pretty cheaply, actually. First things first, get the emails out. So start as soon as you can, as early as you can, before you're holding your event. So if you know 5 or 6 months out that you're going to be doing something, it's not too early to contact equipment providers. The more players you have, obviously it's going to be better because you have more sway, more influence. So the more players you have, make sure that the equipment providers are aware of that in the email. All right, so now what you want to do is you want to find the proper contacts. If you're in Canada and you're emailing a person in the US, and that's probably going to take you a lot longer because they're going to then try and find the person in Canada to send it to, and then they'll eventually reach out to you. So if you can find the Canadian, if you're Canadian, that works. Ask for the sponsorship, contact the right people, avoid delays, be organized. So basically have a point person that will receive all of the different sponsorship merchandise in your club, get their address, their postal code, so that you can provide it. You have to make it worth the equipment provider's while. So they're going to give you free stuff, they're going to ship it to you at their cost, etc. You need to make sure that they're getting value or bang for their buck, as they say. Okay, so just promote them. You can pause these slides and kind of take a look at what I'm saying in more detail. Banners at the events, if you can let them sell some equipment with a local dealer, that's great for you, and it's also great for your players because they can try out a paddle, they can buy some balls, whatever. Promote them. Do this and they will sponsor you every time. So if you're really, really good at promoting the various equipment providers, they'll remember that and it'll just be easier. They'll say, oh yeah, these guys really did a great job to help us to get the word out about our products, because there's a lot of competition. I think there's over 200 pickleball companies out there. So maybe provide a hyperlink in emails and websites, do it over and over again. And then of course copy the sponsors, email them as well. Just let them see what you're doing for them. Your sponsors will love you. And the MC at the event, if you have an MC, why not have them just read off something thanking the various sponsors? It takes 20 seconds to mention a company, go to our booth, we're here, and so on. Make sure you have a photographer, take lots of pictures. Okay, if you can send the various sponsors their equipment being used by a player, that's even better because they want to put it on their Facebook. Thank yous. So make sure you send pictures and videos after the event. Follow up with a thank you note as well. I mean, if you want to mail something, email it, whatever. Very nice touch. They'll remember that. And then thanking the sponsors afterwards in the emails and all of the different social media you use for the players will also be really appreciated. And always try and include links to sponsorship websites like the company websites, etc., so that people can go and buy stuff if they'd like. All you can do is just ask every company. The worst thing they can say is no, but it is a numbers game. Be polite, to the point, and if you're contacting the right people, it's a pretty easy process. Okay, they may be overstocked in one particular item, so you may not get a paddle or balls, but you might get something else that's really nice, and everybody likes free stuff, so your players will appreciate it. If you're too busy and you do not have time to reach out to the various companies and sponsors yourself, we do it for you, so you have the information there. If you'd like to email david@thirdshotdrop.ca, I can give you more information and we can determine whether or not I can help you or not. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you are ever in Kingston and you want to check out our racket center, Come and play with us. If you need a lesson or you'd like to just chat, make sure you give me a shout. You've got my email address now. And please like and subscribe to our channel. If you know other people that are organizing events or just into pickleball, this is not all we do. We talk about pickleball in all different manners, but basically mainly about marketing of pickleball and the pickleball lifestyle. That's kind of where we're going with this channel. So thank you very much again. Have a wonderful day.